Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change download speed in Epic Games. So hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to change your download speed on Epic Games. Have you ever had a problem when you are playing games or maybe watching a movie and you're downloading a game and then all of a sudden your movie or game that you've been playing is lagging because they're both sharing the same internet speed. Well, today I'm going to show you how to lower your internet speed in Epic Games. So you can no longer have lag when you're watching a movie. So right now, as you can see, I'm going to play this. My usual Mbps is up to, I'm going to wait, 3 Mbps. Oh, there we go, 3 point something Mbps. 4, when it go 4, sometimes it goes down, then it goes back up later. So yeah. So now, I'm just going to pause that. Once I pause that, so to lower your download speed in Epic Games, first thing you need to do is go to your profile, then click on settings right here. Once you're in the settings, just go down a little bit, then at preference you will see throttle downloads. Click on that and then choose Mbps that you want. So it's KBS, so make it 1000 KBS. There we go, 1000 KBS, or yeah, it's good enough. 1000 KBS. Then let's go back, and then as you can see right now, right? As you can see now, it doesn't go Mbps anymore. It just go KBS. About 1000 KBS, the highest it can go. You see, or 1 MB. So you see, it goes 700, 100 KBS. Now, see, it doesn't go in Mbps anymore. And you can watch your movies or play games without lag. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys learned something. And a little tip, just try to make it a little bit not 1000 Mbps, just try to make it like 2000 Mbps. I think that's good enough so you can play games and at the same time download in Epic Games. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.